Show you a small but useful panel data test in stata. This test is called XTQSH. So I will give you a background, then at the end I will explain how it is used. So usually when we do a panel data, there is a debate that will the slopes of the model have equal same sign or same value across the cross sections or not. It's called slope homogeneity test. That's already available in other other commands, but this command is for q means quantile. So we'll start with this and I will give you more details. So I will generate a synthetic data using clear all set seed. I generate 10,000 observations and then generate an id and then generate a t variable and then do xt set idt. So I have x1 and x2 variables that are generated using random distribution. Okay, so and then I will generate a y variable using this formula. Okay, and then I will. So this means I have a y variable and a x variable and x1 and x2. So I will run XTQSH y x1 and x2 and I will define which quantile position I need to test and then write graph. So what will happen is it will the null hypothesis will be slope is homogeneous across the quantiles and h1 is slope is heterogeneous across the quantiles. So what it will do, it will check for all the quantiles and give you the Swami test value. Okay, Swami test and Swami distance and its probability values. And then it will show. So here you can see H naught is all slopes are equal across panels. So here you can see that for lower quantiles, they are not equal across panels. For panels, okay, but others it is equal for panels. So this way you can, and then this is a distance estimates means um, what is the distance from distance calculated, that if there is a higher distance means they are different. And if you come to the graphs, let me show you the graphs. Here you can see the test value is higher here and then this value is lower at the lower quantiles. Okay, same is showing that the values that they are significant, and then you can see the coefficient values across quantiles. So mostly they are overlapping each other. Okay, all there are three types, one, two, three, all are showing here. And then if you see the quantile process, they are also significantly different from zero. And then it's summarized here. So based upon the test, you can see that these two positions, there is heterogeneity in terms of slope across the variables, across the cross sections, but for here there is no heterogeneity. So it means that you should be careful in interpreting your models. So I will now summarize why we use this model is that if we know that our slopes are heterogeneous across quantiles, then our estimation model should also calculate the slopes from the cross sections and then pull it as an overall rather than create an average value of all the cross sections. So it means if you have a dynamic panel data, then you might use the there are three panel data models, pool mean group, and dynamic fixed effect. So if your slopes are heterogeneous across cross sections, then you have to select a relevant one where the long runs are calculated separately for each cross section. That's the implication of this test. I hope you understand, and you can use this to go deep into your data analysis process to achieve more robust estimates. Thank you.